everyone, I'm Catherine Weaver, and in this video I'm going to take you through some of the common threading errors that happen in tablet weaving. We're going to use this simple draft as an example. The rectangle at the top of the draft is the turning diagram, and each square that has a white background represents a forward turn of the tablets, and each square with a grey background represents a backward turn of the tablets. The rectangle at the bottom of the draft is the threading diagram, and that shows which colours are passing through which holes of the tablets, and it also tells us the warp alignment, so how the tablets appear when viewed from above, using the direction of the ovals in each square, and it also tells us the threading direction by the letters at the bottom of the threading diagram. Here, tablets number 10 to 14 have been threaded in the wrong direction, so they're in the same threading and warp alignment direction as tablets 3 to 7. The colours of threads have been placed in the right positions, but because the threading direction is wrong, this will cause jagged lines to appear on the surface of the band instead of the nice smooth ones that we're getting on the left side. If you find that this is happening, you can check the back of your band, and you may find that the pattern lines are smooth on the back. This is generally a good indicator that the threading direction is wrong. You can fix it by simply flipping the entire band, tablets and so on upside down and continuing to weave as before. But if you find, like in this example, only some of the tablets are in the wrong direction, you can choose to flip them instead. So I have heard of people taking everything off the loom, unthreading the tablets and redoing it, but there is no need to do this when you can simply flip the tablets instead. In order to flip them, you take the top edge of the tablet and pull it towards you, and the bottom edge of the tablet and push it away from you, and this will change the threading and warp alignment of that tablet. Now you may find that in comparison with the threading diagram, some of the colours are now in the wrong positions. So turn the tablets 1/4 turn each, leaving the rest of the tablets still until you get it to the point where the colours are in the same positions as in the threading diagram. So whatever the colour should be in the A and D holes are at the top of the tablets, and whatever colours should be in the B and C holes at the bottom of the tablets. And you may want to relabel your tablets with pencil to remind you that the labels of the holes have changed. Next, we have a tablet out of step with the others. That is tablet number 12. And again, this is causing a jagged line on the surface of the band, but it's only one tablet that has a problem rather than all of the 10 to 14 tablets on the right side. If you look at the draft, you can see that tablets 11 and 12 are threaded the same. So the black and white threads are in the same positions. And this will cause a little bump in your diagonal pattern line. And you can fix this by taking tablet number 12, give it a 1/4 turn forwards while leaving the other tablets in the same position. And again, as before, you will need to relabel tablet number 12, as its starting position will have holes D and C at the top rather than holes D and A at the top. Lastly, once you've threaded all of your tablets and you're ready to weave, If you find that one or more of the tablets won't turn, that is often caused by one or more threads passing through the tablet in a different direction to the others. Moving from left to right, you can see that the blue threads come upwards through the holes of this tablet, but the red thread goes downwards into the hole. And this is because the red and blue threads are different threading directions to each other. And the only way to fix this is to untie the yarn for this tablet from whatever you've stretched it on and take out the red thread and then re-thread it in the correct direction so it matches the rest of the threads on that tablet. I hope this has been helpful for you, and I look forward to seeing people's comments, and happy weaving, and thank you for watching.